In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update the BIOS on your ASRock B450M AC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of safely updating your BIOS on this particular motherboard model or any other one. So the process is going to be the same for any other motherboard that you have. The only thing that you will need is a USB flash drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage, only enough to hold the update files, which the motherboard will use to perform the update itself. So to acquire these files, go to the ASRock website or look for your particular motherboard model on Google. In this specific case, the B450M AC. Once you arrive at its page, go over to Support down at the bottom and click on BIOS. You will see all of the BIOS versions available for this motherboard. Click on Download Global and be sure to read these warnings here. So once you download the latest version of the BIOS, like I said before, you will have to load them into the USB flash drive. So they will come in a zip like this. This is just a random example. Now all that you have to do is make sure that you format your USB flash drive, and once it is formatted, drag and drop this BIOS file inside. So once only that specific file is loaded into the drive, plug it in at the back of your motherboard. Plug it into any of these USB ports. Don't use the USB ports on your PC case on the front if they have it. It must be plugged into the motherboard itself. Now press Delete or F2 rapidly while your computer boots up. This will bring you into the BIOS interface where you will find the option to perform the update. If Delete or F2 doesn't work, then check the manual to see how to access your BIOS interface. In here, go over to Tool at the top, so use your mouse or the keyboard, and then you will find Instant Flash. This will scan the devices connected to the motherboard, including the USB drive, and it is going to locate the BIOS file necessary for the update. Once it is located, click on Update and let this process run uninterrupted. Make sure that power is not cut out during this, or it could break your motherboard. Once this is done, it is going to prompt you to reboot your PC and the BIOS will have been updated. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ASRock B450M AC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.